Let's check out these straight aviation snips from a company called WIS. It has a convenient locking mechanism that can be operated with a single hand. The blades are serrated, which really helps the snips cut through material with ease. The sides are mostly symmetrical with minor differences in the grip, but this means that you can flip these around any way you want or use them with either hand and they will be comfortable and cut properly. The spring mechanism is stronger than I thought it would be, which is great. I have some sheet metal here that these things cut through like butter. These are really designed for straight cutting with minor curves, but you can still cut some pretty intricate shapes if you have to. Because the blades are serrated, it results in a slightly rough edge with a uniform pattern that matches the serrations on the blades. This isn't an issue for me, but if you're looking for perfectly smooth edges, this probably isn't the tool for you. I like pretty much everything about this tool. The build quality is top notch, the handles are ergonomic and feel great. There's a little loop at the bottom that gives you a good spot to hang these on a pegboard for storage. It's just a super solid tool. I hope you found this useful, and I'll catch you in the next one.